Hi friends, my name is Tess. I'm here every Wednesday to support your family's well-being with simple ideas and activities you can do at home together. Today, we are going to talk about our sensory needs and make some really cool sensory toys using items you might already have at your house. Sensory processing is what happens when our brain processes the things around us that we see, hear, touch, smell, and taste. Children acquire many sensory experiences while they're developing in order for their sensory systems to mature properly. However, everyone has different sensory needs, and some of us may need more support than others to find comfort and calm within our bodies. Luckily, it's easy to make sensory tools at home that help us figure out our own sensory preferences. Today, I'll show you different ways you might be able to support sensory integration at your house without spending much money. Our first project is making sensory bottles two ways. These tools support visual, auditory, and tactile sensory needs, and they're great to help calm tantrums. They are also really simple to create with a few household materials. First, let's make this sand sensory bottle. All you need to start is an empty, dry plastic bottle, some strong tape or glue, and sand. I'm also using some other small items to create texture. I'm also using these small animal and star beads to create a peekaboo effect inside the bottle. You'll see what I mean. First, open your bottle and pour the sand in. You may want to use a funnel to prevent spills, which I obviously didn't do. Oops. You'll want your bottle filled 3/4 of the way to the top with sand. If you don't have craft sand, that's okay. You can just use sand from outside. Just make sure to filter it first. Next, I'm going to add the glitter and sprinkles for different textures inside the bottle. I'm going to shake that up to distribute all the ingredients evenly. Then, I'll add my small items. Seal the bottle with super glue or strong tape, and there you have it. You can roll the bottle around to find the items hiding inside. Next, let's try an oil and water sensory bottle. All you need is a clear plastic bottle, your tape or glue, and some kind of oil. Adding food coloring and glitter is also great to add to this as well. First, we're going to fill our bottle a little under halfway with water. There I go again. It's best to use a funnel or do this over the sink. Next, I'm going to add color to my water. I want to make purple because that's my favorite color, so I will need 1 drop of blue and 1 drop of red. Next, pour an equal amount of oil on top of the water. You may already know this, but oil and water have different densities. This means that the two are not able to mix together, which makes a really cool effect. I'm just going to add some glitter and then secure the lid with glue. No matter how much you shake this bottle up, it will always separate back out. Watching this can be very calming. When a sensory bottle has slow-moving items like glitter inside, it can be mesmerizing to watch. This can help calm our breathing and help self-regulation. Next, we are making a mystery touch box. This is a tool I like to use with pre-K kids to learn communication skills, early literacy skills, and it also helps develop fine motor through touch. But it can also be used as a tactile sensory experience for any age. This is also a pretty simple one. All you need is a medium-sized box, one that's big enough to fit your hand inside. You'll also need tape, and an adult will need to help with the scissors and cutting. You'll then pick various small items of different textures and weights to put inside the box. First, trace a circle that's big enough for an adult hand to fit inside. Cut the circle out, and then cover with tape to prevent the cardboard from cutting or irritating your arms. The items go into the box, and then the kids can reach in and guess which items they are before pulling them out. If you want to extend this project further, pick out items that start with different letters and practice the beginning sound of each item. You can also decorate the box however you'd like. This can be a really fun art activity. Try finding items to put in your box that are fuzzy, or soft, or squishy, or firm. The more textures, the better. The next project is simple but effective. We're going to make shakers out of small leftover cardboard boxes. By making shakers with different sounds or volumes, you can figure out which sounds you need or like the best. You'll just need some small boxes and some small items for filling the boxes. I'm using pom-poms, dried beans, pasta, and recycled items. But you can use whatever you already have. If you have a long box, you can make a rain stick effect with dried spaghetti. Beans will give you a loud sound. But items like foam, cotton balls, or pom-poms will give you a very soft sound. Which one do you like better? If you have blank boxes, you can color them for an added project. I colored these ones myself. I'm going to fill these with reusable items. The first one has applesauce lids inside. The second one has old marker lids. These are great because I can reuse them instead of throwing them away. Also, they make great sounds inside the shakers. Our last project is a sensory box. This is a great art project and can also pinpoint sensory preferences, and it doubles as a large shaker or drum, so it supports both sound and touch sensory needs. All you need is a small blank box, art supplies with different textures, and a strong glue. Begin by filling the box with your favorite shaker sounds and tape it up. Then, decorate each side of your box differently. This box is meant to feel different on each side. One of my favorite ways to do this is by using foam stickers. These ones are great because they also have glitter on them, which adds even more texture. On another side, I'm going to color and add some tape in a pattern. I also found this squishy piece of foam, so I'm going to glue it to one of the smaller sides. Another idea I had was to make a handle using these sparkly pipe cleaners. I'm just going to use them to make a pattern of purple and gold. Then I'm going to tape them down on either side and cut off the extra. I also love the way pom-poms feel, so I'm going to add a side of those. There are so many variations on how you can make this project, so just use your imagination and try out a lot of different ideas. And there you have it. Thanks for joining me today, friends. What was your favorite sensory activity that we made? I'll be back next Wednesday with a new activity just for you. Please remember to share this video with someone who may find it helpful, and have a great day. See you next time.